The Seindorf Arian Dyffryn Nantlle was established in 1865, and we have just celebrated in the 50 years. The building was built specially for the band, purposely built, and the problem they found didn't have any support in supplying materials and building the construction. So they found a sponsor, which was William Derbyshire. He was the owner of the Penarosser quarry, and he supported the band by buying instruments, and that's how the band started off. Full band membership is 25, and plus the percussion. Well, we thought of an idea of getting new members for the band, so we approached the schools, local schools, and we went there with instruments, and the pupils enjoyed having a go at the instrument. And lo and behold, we had 50 new members without instruments, so this is how we're going to spend the money on buying new instruments to help this problem.